Hello again. This is the professor, and we're here with Introduction to Trigonometry, Lesson 1A. And today we're going to talk about converting decimals and degrees, minutes, and seconds measures for angles. Let's talk about some basic principles here, which is very, very important. 1 minute is denoted by this expression, 1 with the tick mark there. And its conversion, 1 minute is equal to 1 over 60 degrees. 1 second is denoted by 1 with 2 tick marks, and its conversion to minutes will be 1 second is equal to 1 over 60 minutes. Now, when we convert this thing to degrees, it'll be 1 second is equal to, where you say 1 over 60 times 1 over 60 degrees, which actually equals 1 over 3,600 degrees. Now, let's go over here and talk about angles being expressed as, in words and in terms, but can be written in this expression. If you have an angle that is expressed as 40 degrees, 20 minutes, 5 seconds, it is written this way with 40 degrees, 20 minutes, 5 seconds. Always remember, too, that one counterclockwise revolution is equal to 360 degrees. Now, let's look at these conversions. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, and then 1 minute is equal to, of course, 60 seconds. Let's do a problem. Okay? Let's convert 40 degrees, 4 minutes, and 20 seconds to a decimal in degrees. And then let's round this thing to 4 decimal places. Now, I kind of break everything down in detail, right? However, showing this here, that it's in this expression, because we want to end up with a decimal, in degrees that is, I say 40 degrees plus, breaking this up, plus, that's 4 minutes times 1 minute. The reason why I'm doing this is because we're going to convert this to degrees, because 1 minute is equal to 1 over 60 degrees. So here, and then plus I continue on, say plus 20 seconds times what? 1 second. Now, reason being because we're getting ready to convert this all the way over to degrees, but as decimals. So here I'm saying 40 degrees plus 4 minutes, and now this 1 minute is equal to 1 over 60 degrees. You see this, right? So 4 times 1 over 60 degrees, of course, and continuing on, plus 20 seconds, with this being what? 1 second equal to what? In degrees? 1 over 3,600 degrees. Here we have this set up nicely, and then we just perform the order of operations. Make sure you do all your multiplications first from left to right, and then of course continue to add from left to right. So here, as I broke it down, 40 degrees plus 4 over 60, plus, because 4 times 1 over 60 is 4 over 60, plus 20 times 1 over 3,600 is 20 over 3,600, right? And so when we get this is what I got as decimals here for this, writing all the decimal places out for both of these expressions here, and say 40 plus 0.06666, so forth and so on, plus the other coefficient here. Here, what we got is 40.0722 degrees. This is what we got. And it's rounded to 4 decimal places. So with all this, of course, to get pretty much an approximation or close to an exact, it's not the exact, but an approximation, a close approximation, I get 40.0722. So this is very important. To do and be careful of your mathematics and your arithmetic, your simple arithmetic. It's very, very important. Let's do another problem. Convert 33.246 degrees to degrees, minutes, and seconds in that form. Round the answer to the nearest second. So here is a little bit, you have to be a little bit careful with your math. You know, you're breaking and splitting things up accordingly. So 33 degrees plus, now here's what I've done. I've split this up, this decimal here, sort of expanding, right? So 33 degrees, that's as a whole number, plus 0.246. Now what I'm going to do, this is in degrees because this is part of this. This whole number is part of this is the whole decimal number, but this is still part of this. So what you do is you carry the 0.246 over and then times that by, because you're converting this portion to minutes. So it'll be 60 minutes. 0.246 times 60 minutes is going to give you 14.76 minutes there. So bringing down to 33 degrees plus 14.76. You see this? So still, I'm going to take this 14, the whole number, and leave it where it is. Keep the unit minutes here valid, and then split it plus 0.76. It still has to be in minutes because it's part of this whole number here. So then, but this part that you're getting ready to do has to be converted to seconds. So 76, right? 0.76 that is, 0.76 minutes times, this has to be in seconds here. So it's going to be what? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 60 seconds has to go right there. So 0.76 times 60 seconds is going to give you 45.6. So once you get that, that's converted to seconds there. And so 33 degrees plus 14 minutes plus 45.6. Of course, this has to be to the nearest second. So you're going to write this as such, in this form. You're going to write this in this form. So therefore, it's going to be 33 degrees, 14 minutes, and 46 seconds. You can also use the calculator to check your work and check your answer to see if it's also correct as well. Well, this concludes the basics, introduction to trigonometry, dealing with degrees, decimals, seconds, right? We'll do some more stuff later on. We'll still do another introductory lesson, and there'll be more and more trigonometry lessons for the future. So stay tuned. See you later.